Have you ever walked away from the range with a sore arm, wondering if there's a better option? Or maybe you've hesitated on a follow-up shot because the recoil made you flinch. What if you could drop elk, moose, or even a bear using something that kicks more like a firm handshake than a punch in the chest? Many hunters are starting to realize that you don't always need the most popular or loudest round to get the job done. Some of the best cartridges out there are the ones no one's talking about. They might not trend on forums or fill the shelves of every big box store, but they work, and they work well. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 underrated calibers that have proven their worth time and time again. They offer enough power to drop big game cleanly, while keeping recoil low enough for comfortable, confident shooting. These aren't the flashy headliners, but they're the quiet heroes of the hunting world. Stick around till the end, and let's begin the discovery of underrated gems. 7mm SEO. When most hunters think of magnum performance, they brace for the recoil that comes with it. But the 7mm SEO short-action Ultra Magnum flips that expectation on its head. This is a cartridge that quietly delivers magnum-level ballistics with surprisingly manageable recoil, making it a favorite among long-range hunters who want power and precision without the punishment. With bullet options ranging from 140 to 180 grains, it can be tuned for everything from antelope in open country to bull elk in the mountains. And when paired with high BC bullets, it holds its energy far downrange, well past 1,000 yards in skilled hands. What really sets it apart is how it performs without beating you up. Unlike some of the bigger magnums that feel like they're trying to knock your hat off, the 7mm SEO delivers smooth, controllable recoil that keeps you confident and accurate behind the trigger. It's the kind of round that lets you focus on the shot, not the kick. If you're looking for a high-performance hunting round that hits hard but shoots easy, this underrated magnum is worth a serious look. 375 H&H flanged magnum. When you're chasing big game that can bite back, most hunters think of raw power and often brutal recoil. But there's one cartridge that's been quietly doing the job for over a century, combining serious stopping power with old-school elegance. The 375 H&H flanged magnum. This is the lesser-known rimmed version of the famous 375 H&H, specially designed for double rifles, those beautiful break-action firearms trusted by African professional hunters and safari legends. With bullet weights usually ranging from 235 to 300 grains, it's built to handle buffalo, bear, moose, and more. It shines inside 300 to 400 yards, where most dangerous game encounters happen, and its performance is rock solid when paired with expanding bullets for clean, ethical kills. It's not gentle, but it's manageable, and far more forgiving than some modern magnums that rattle your bones after every shot. So why doesn't it get more love? Mostly because it's not trendy, it's traditional. But for hunters who appreciate reliability, control, and proven performance on the world's biggest game, the 375 H&H flanged magnum is an underrated heavyweight that's still very much in the fight. 276 Pedersen. One of the most fascinating what-ifs in shooting history is the 276 Pedersen, a cartridge that came close to replacing the 30-06 in U.S. military service. Originally developed in the 1920s for the innovative Pedersen rifle, this round offered something modern hunters still crave: flat shooting, manageable recoil, and effective performance out to 800 meters. With a 125-grain bullet, it packed enough punch for serious work without beating up the shooter. In fact, many who tested it praised how easy it was on the shoulder, especially compared to heavier military rounds of the time. So why isn't it in every hunter's rifle rack today? Politics and logistics. The U.S. Army ultimately went with the M1 Garand and stayed with the 30-06, partly because switching calibers would have required overhauling ammo production and training. The Pedersen rifle also had quirks, like requiring waxed cartridges and being more mechanically complex. Still, the 276 Pedersen represents everything we're talking about here: a high-performing, underrated caliber that delivered the goods without delivering punishment to the shooter. It's a prime example of how a smartly designed round can offer big game-worthy ballistics without the big recoil. It's a hidden gem, one that reminds us there's power in precision, not just brute force. 44-40 Winchester. If there's one cartridge that proves you don't need modern firepower to hunt big game, it's the 44-40 Winchester. This old-school round has been around since the late 1800s, earning its fame in the Wild West with the Winchester Model 1873. Back then, it was used by ranchers, lawmen, and hunters alike, mainly because it worked, plain and simple. Now, most hunters today overlook the 44-40. It doesn't have flashy ballistics or extreme long-range numbers. But here's the thing with the right load. It can still drop a deer at 100 to 150 yards, and it does so with very little recoil. That means more accurate shooting, faster follow-ups, and a much happier shoulder at the end of the day. Loaded with bullets in the 200 to 225 grain range, modern high-velocity versions of this cartridge pack enough punch for whitetail and other medium-sized game, especially in thick woods or brush, where close shots are the norm. The 4440 is living proof that you don't need a bone-rattling magnum to be effective in the field. It's a gentle shooter with a long legacy, one of those cartridges that quietly gets the job done, while everyone else is chasing bigger and louder. It's an underrated classic that can still fill a tag without flattening your shoulder in the process. 50-1110 Winchester. When people talk about big game stopping power, most jump straight to modern magnums or high-tech hunting rounds. But few realize that more than a century ago, Winchester quietly unleashed a beast, the Auda 50-110 Winchester, that could drop massive game without needing a bolt action or a muzzle brake. Designed in 1899 for the lever-action Winchester model 1886, this cartridge packed serious muscle long before modern ballistics ever hit the scene, also known as the 50-110. Express. This round was made for hunters chasing the big stuff like moose, buffalo, and grizzly bears. With bullet weights ranging from 300 to a whopping 700 grains, and typical loads in the 400 to 500 grain range, this cartridge hit hard and hit deep. Though it's mostly overlooked today, and rarely mentioned in hunting circles, the 50-110 is a reminder that big game doesn't always require modern solutions. If you want something with raw, reliable stopping power, and you're willing to go a little old school, this forgotten giant can still do the job and do it well. For hunters who want history, horsepower, and surprising shootability, the 50-110 Winchester deserves a second look. In a world obsessed with speed, size, and the latest gear, it's easy to forget that not every great hunting round needs to shake the ground or bruise your shoulder to prove its worth. These underrated cartridges don't chase trends, they quietly deliver results. They've earned their place not through marketing hype, but through field-tested performance, historical legacy, and smart design. The beauty of these calibers isn't just in their ballistics, it's in the confidence they give you, the stories they carry, and the way they make hunting more accessible, more comfortable, and ultimately more effective. So next time you're at the gun counter or planning your next hunt, ask yourself, do I need the loudest tool in the box or just the right one? Sometimes the quiet rounds are the ones that speak the loudest in the field. If you find this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Gun Report. Thanks for watching.